Visiting the iconic Franschhoek Motor Museum in South Africa.
What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Move with Purpose. Today we're in Franschhoek at the Motor Museum, the iconic Motor Museum in Franschhoek. What we are looking at here is the Cantyrel racing car that was built in 1970. This specific one was raced by South African Jody Scheckter and finished third in the 1974 F1 Championship. This Volkswagen was produced in 1964 and it was the first post-war new model, designated Type 14, built on a Beetle floor pan, designed by Garbausia Gia and hand-built by Coach Builders Karman. Manufactured in Germany and Brazil between 1955 and 1975. It was available as a coupe and from 1957 a convertible. Interesting piece of art, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful little car. The Volkswagen Karman Kia.